Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in Smoky Lake, there will be snow, with a forecasted high of -11 and a low of -14. Right now it's -12 degrees and cloudy.
Hello mga kapips. So, winter's hitting us and I think from 3 a.m. there's a lot of snowfalls. As you can see outside my window, there's a full of snow now. Oh my god, can't you see those car? It is covered by snow. So I will be outside. I will just prepare myself. Need to gear up myself. It's freezing right now. So I will just prepare myself and I will tour you outside before I will go to my work. So I need this headgear protection for covering my ears. It's so chilly outside. I don't want to break my ears. So I'll use this one. I bought it from the Amazon. This is specially designed for winter season. Do you know this beauty? I look like a ninja. I will wear these gloves, these leather gloves. Designed for winter. Winter boots. Winter jacket. I wear this. I have 3 layers already in my body. I have thermal long sleeve, then thermal pants. I have my dress and then the long sleeve, and then I have this winter jacket too. This is my duty shoes. Already packed it, and it's not a high cut shoes, so it will be a problem while I'm walking, so I have to bring this. fingertips now. Ready to go. Let's see outside. So this is how I look like every winter season. We'll go outside now. Oh my god. It's covered by the snow. See my bike? Oh my god. Centimeter. Jeez. See? Almost 3 centimeter. Everything is white. See the houses where I live. It is covered by snow now. This is my neighbors. Oh my god. Everywhere is white. See? I'm walking in the nowhere place right now. It was fulfilling, enjoying, but at the same time it's scary. Oh my god, see the roof of our house? It was fully covered by snow. Anyway, I wanted to apologize for my English grammar. I'm not fluent in English, but I'm trying hard. I'm trying my best. Because I have a lot of English subscribers. They don't understand what I'm talking about. They are telling me I love to watch your videos, but cannot relate what I'm trying to say. So this is the main road now. This is our main road going to my work, and it's covered by snow. So I will show you. See, there is a sidewalk right over there. Right over there. It was new, but now it was covered by snow, so it's not visible right now. We have to remove it because if someone will Basically, I'm walking with Nora right now. I feel like I'm in Alaska right now. It's a heavy snow right now. And yesterday night, it was a heavy snow. I still have 20 minutes. There's drainage here. Be careful while walking. I should be careful. See, moving through boots. 3 centimeter, I think, or 4 centimeter now. This is our local church here. First Baptist Church. For this. It's not too dry, but most of the trees here during winter season it's covered by snow. Someone's walking here, not just only me. This is the necessity of having a car here, especially in our town, because during this season it will be hard for you to go outside if you're buying something, especially if it is minus 15 to minus 30. It will be too difficult for you. So this is the main purpose of having a car here. That's why 99.9% of the people here, they own a car. See, maybe next month or early next year, January, I will take my class 5 license. Right now I have class 7, which is just an student license, the same as in Philippines. Yeah, student license. So I can drive, but I cannot drive in the city, only here inside the town. And I should be always together with the people having a class 5 license if I am driving here. So, and I have to wait 1 year for me to get those class 5, but I am already, I think, a year and a month of having those class 7 license. So this is the main road, as you can see. They are all covered by snow, and this is very slippery. It's so dangerous to drive. Last time me and my grandfather during our wedding, we go to the Port Saskatchewan, and the road is so dangerous, very slippery. I've seen a lot of cars sliding. Looks like they're drifting. I don't know if it is intentional or not. There's an ambulance. Someone's in badly need help. This area is going to school, going to hospital, going to post office, going to supermarket. See the houses beside the road. Even the cars, they're all surrounded by the snow. Oh my god, see those trees. Wow, so heavy compared to last year. Can you still see me, guys? See these churches, it's covered by snow, even those trees. Jeez, that's so hard. And they're starting to remove those. Hello. So hard. This is a sidewalk also, but you can see right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Am I dreaming right now? No, it's reality. It's happening right now. Wow. Raiders Road. Oh. See the trailer also. Non-stop snow. The forecast is the whole day. There will be a snow shower the whole day. Wow. Let me shovel in the snow. I might do that one day. Wow. So addicting to take those videos. As long as you have proper gear, then you can go outside and take those amazing videos and shots. Wow, snow showers happening right now. Wow. Wow. Oh, nice house. There is no long decorations. Oh, next week will be December. Christmas season. This is how we celebrate our Christmas season here in Canada. White Christmas season. Snowy Christmas season. Wow. Wow, amazing. Wow. So hard to walk. Every step counts. Wow. Such a wonderful creation by our God, right? Before it was just only a dream, now it's happening. It's an answered prayer, right? Anyways, I wanted to thank my church member and all the community, Filipino community here in Smoky Lake, for helping us, especially my family, during the Typhoon Christine. So last 4 days ago, I received huge amount from our pastor and all the church member to this is for our renovation of our house, and I'm so blessed that I'm part of their community. sent it to my mother, and she bought a lot of things that mostly what we need, like the fridge, electric fan, bed frame, washing machine, rice cooker. All of those stuff we lost during the typhoon, and thank God that we returned everything. Thank God for his favor, and thank God that even we experienced that catastrophic disaster, we still able to share our blessings from our community. And even to my elementary school, yeah, we sent some amount too, and for our local church in Barangay Ewiyaw, we sent some amount also. They need it for the reconstruction of our church. See where I'm walking now. I'm near to my work. I usually use that way. If you can see those way, that is near to my work, but I walk here. I didn't make shortcut today. I wanted to tour you guys to show you what is happening right now here in Canada, in Smoky Lake. Wow, that is my footstep. I wear 4 layers right now. I wear thermal vest, thermal pants, and then t-shirt, and then long sleeve sweatshirt, long sleeve, and then I wear this winter jacket. Everything is white. I'll start my work at 1:30. So just still have 10 minutes more. So amazing. Everything is white. That is the police station. It's near my workplace and near to the house where I'm staying. Wow. Non-stop snow. Last year it is not like what I'm experiencing right now. It's totally different from the previous year. So they're saying maybe there will be more snowfall this year, and it started early. As I remember last year, it started like the mids of January, but right now it's just November 23rd, and this is what Smoky Lake looks like now. These trucks are used for transporting the things that you will transfer your house. You're moving to another location, you can use this. You can rent those. This belongs to our company also. This belongs to ESO. I'm here now in my work. so bright. Everything is so bright. I will show you the gasoline station. It's happening right now. Everything is covered with snow. Oh. See the snow. Wow. Unbelievable. Now I'm heading to my work. So I'll see you for my next vlog. I will keep you updated, guys. Thank you for supporting my channel as always. I'll keep you posted and updated. Everything is so clear. Everything is so wide. This is our liquor store. So see you guys. And God bless you.